The difference between a good workplace and a great one isn't always visible. It's built into the way everything is organized. More than 40 years, one focus, endless possibilities. Alkon has spent decades solving one industrial challenge, helping businesses through thoughtfully engineered storage solutions. This is Alkon. Made in India for the world. From a corporate office in Mumbai, and a 130,000 square feet manufacturing facility in Umbagan, Gujarat, Alkon manufactures a complete range of industrial bins, tilt bins, component organizers, Panda shelving systems, and many more storage solutions, creating organized workplaces, improving productivity. You don't just build products, you build trust.
I'm Sandeep Marwa. I'm the director of Alkon Plastics Pvt.
Every process is built around one objective: to deliver products customers can rely on. Our journey began with the vision of our founder, Mr. Trilokshan Singh Marwaha. Every single time, this vision continues under the leadership of Sandeep Marwaha, the second-generation director who has combined decades of manufacturing experience with modern technology, automation, and a future-ready approach. Great manufacturing isn't only about producing more, it's about creating products that customers trust. Every Alkon solution starts with one simple question: what does the customer truly need? Great products don't begin with machines. They begin with understanding. From design and prototyping to manufacturing and testing, every dimension, every load capacity, and every detail is engineered with purpose. The solution that almost fits isn't a solution, it's a compromise. Advanced injection molding systems, automation, and modern manufacturing technologies work together to deliver consistent quality across every production cycle. From molding and finishing to inspection and packaging, experienced teams ensure every product meets the standards. Technology brings precision. People bring judgment. Together, they create storage solutions trusted across industries in India and around the world.
The main focus has been on the quality of the products we give to the marketplace.
Whether supplied within India or exported across global markets, every Alkon product is built to the same uncompromising standard, the same raw materials, manufacturing discipline, and quality checks every time. There is no export quality and domestic quality, only the Alkon standard. Every product that leaves Alkon carries the dedication of the people who built it. Skilled teams bring together experience, precision, and accountability at every stage of manufacturing. While technology powers production, it's people who give it purpose. For more than 40 years, customers, distributors, and partners have continued to trust Alkon because they know exactly what to expect. Alkon has remained focused on one purpose: to help industries work smarter through better storage solutions. Today, that commitment is stronger than ever, strengthened by generations of expertise and inspired by customers who continue to place their trust in us. Focus creates expertise, expertise builds trust, and trust stands the test of time. This is Alkon, made in India for the world.